Today, the entire country is boiling. All hotels wanted to close them because they doesn't have gas. All prices will shoot up. So all have to look at firewood or electric stove or kerosene stove. Even there is no kerosene also for all these stoves. So it will be a very great problem in the entire country. Central government is not reacting with it, and our policy and the relationship what we had with the suppliers, I think foreign policy is going from the bad to worse. So I think the government, central government should debate on this, come out with a stand. They should make all the parliament members to give their suggestions, opinions. Discussion has to be held. I think in Karnataka, all our hotel associations have decided to stop their restaurants. It's a big setback for the entire hotel industry. And all the, including the hospitals, they are finding very difficult. And in future, the government has to come out with a strategy how the household and the business, wherever the businesses are there, including the industries, what is the next alternative? They have to give up a solution on this. We condemn the decision of the central government. They are not taking much interest. They would have, last 15 days itself, they should have made a precautionary decision on this issue. But I think nothing they have been done. Only yesterday they have spoken to the chief secretary to see that some of them will come back. But no facilities has been provided yet. So
few MPs written only letters, sir, to their own minister now.
There is no question of writing a minister. They have to just speak in the parliament and tell their voice.
Sir, it's a 6 year. Sir, it's a 6 year. You are finishing as the president of the party. So you are hosting dinner to the MPLS.
See, it is a formal. I've been completing 60 years of President Sonia Gandhi appointed me 6 years ago. I'm thankful for her and delivered whatever I could have done. So on this event, I wanted to organize a big political event, but sessions are going on. So after the session, I will plan for it. But now I have requested all our MPs, MLAs to come for the evening. Tomorrow we are out of CLP. And next I will call all the office bearers and the presidents and block presidents one day.
Sir, it's not a small 6 year journey for you because you went to jail. After that, you're coming back. You brought the party to the power. Now the power came. You have 136 MLAs, 140 MLAs. Now we are targeting 2028. All these things. There is an inclusive demand that you should be the chief minister.
I don't want to speak anything on that. My duty, whatever responsibility my party has been given, I have to work on it.
Sir, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy moved the Bangalore infrastructure.